Hi, welcome to Tech Shorts. Today we're going to be looking at how to use the OFPL card catalog to do holds for library materials. We're going to start by going to the OFPL website, which is ofpl.online. From here, you're going to click on Search Our Collection. You can just press Enter, or you can actually type whatever it is that you want to look for. Once you find the list of results of what you're looking for, you can see if the item that you want is there and available. If the item shows up, that means we have it in the system, and if it shows up with the green available, that means that it is free for you to place on hold so that we can put it aside for you. If an item is not available, it will show up in red, letting you know that the item is not available for you to check out at this time, but you can still place a hold on it for when it does return. Now, when you come across an item that you want, say this book, you can click on it, check the details to make sure that it's the item that you want from us. Then you have two options. You can place it on hold, or you can add to list. Add to list is a great way to make a list of items that you want to later on place on hold or save for later. But if you're ready to proceed towards checkout, you're going to click Place Hold. The system will then ask you to enter your library card number. And your PIN number. If you do not have a PIN number or you cannot remember your PIN number, please contact the library front desk and they'll be happy to reset that for you. Once you've entered your information, it'll ask you if you are sure you want to put this item on hold. Do not change this here because you will want the first available copy. You will click Submit Hold, and that will place the item on hold for you, showing in green that you have placed it successfully. Once you have submitted your hold, it will let us know on our computer that this item has been placed on hold for you. We will then pull it, check it out to you, and have it available for you for pickup. Again, please give us 48 hours to process any library materials that you request from us. If we get it ready for you sooner, we will let you know, but it will take up to 48 hours. Again, if you have any questions, please contact us at the front desk or me, and I'll be happy to help you.